Welcome to my YouTube channel. To the new subscribers, karibuni sana. To the old subscribers, karibuni tena sana. My name is Barbara and here we do a lot of lifestyle content. If you like more of these videos, kindly please, if you haven't subscribed and you're watching, kindly please subscribe. And you have subscribed and you haven't turned on your bells, kindly please turn on your bells so you don't miss any of my tips and tricks and hacks about everything lifestyle. So today we are going to do a rubber band method, twist rubber band method, and I thought maybe it's about time we did a rubber band method because two guys requested I do the rubber band method. So let me introduce you to what we are going to use today. We are going to use water. So this is my spray bottle of water. In here it's just normal tap water, normal water. And next we are going to use shea butter. Next we are going to use our blend of oil. In here we have olive oil, castor oil and jojoba oil. Yes, we are going also to use the rubber bands, and we are going to use a mix of the smaller rubber band and the bigger rubber band. This rubber band. We are going to need a comb, we are going to need a smaller comb for parting, and we are going to need some clippers. So let's get into the video. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. And before I forget, we did a video on this satin bonnet. It's a reversible satin bonnet. It has two sides. It has the Ankara side and it also has the satin side on the inside. So I'll be sure to leave a link on how I did this up here on your screen or down at the description box. Kindly please check that out. So it's a different mix of twist. We have chunk twist at the back and a little bit of a small portion of smaller twist at the front. So you can just choose to do however you want. You can choose to do a whole chunk twist, or you can choose to use medium or a smaller twists. So yeah, we are done and we are pretty impressed with what we have accomplished. So I'm going to let them sit here for about 4 days, and then I'm going to unravel them. So a few days later, this is how our twists are. So they are about 4 days old. That is how we are. So let's take them down. The behind chunk twist out for me to get volume and just have the smaller twists just as they are. As you can see, I didn't fluff them out. I just unravel them and just let them stay like that. So I'll be rocking this for the next probably 2 days or 3, depends on how the weather also looks like. So I'll be just moisturizing and spritz of water, then that's it. So thank you so much guys for watching. If you like more of this content, kindly please subscribe down below. It really supports my channel when you subscribe and when you watch, when you leave a like or a comment. Thank you for those who have subscribed. So until the next video, bye.